Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is for you when you're watching this. I hope you're doing well. I'm here with a very small haul. This is from Amazon, but it came from a shop called Simply Special Crafts. The person is Debbie Hamilton, and she is apparently in Oregon because I got a package in the mail and it didn't have Amazon. It didn't have anything on it about Amazon. It shipped directly from her. And she sent me a free gift, which is this little pumpkin die. And it was made in the USA in 1995 or 6, I think, Paula Hallman in Littleton, Colorado. So, yeah, a little die cut of pumpkins. I will put that with my fall stuff. So, thank you very much to Debbie Hamilton. And this is Martha's fault. Martha makes art. Martha makes whatever her channel is now. Because I watched her open an ephemera pack and oh my gosh, I was in love with it. Had to get it. So when I went there, I realized what it was, Graphics 45, Flights of Fancy. So of course, I also had to get the paper pack. Now this did take a little while to get here, but it did come earlier than the date Amazon gave me, which was next Wednesday. And I got it on the 14th, so a week early. So that was really nice. Anyway, it is Flight of Fancy. Now, I don't have much Graphic 45. I had a few things and I'm pretty sure I sold them years back because they just weren't my style, but butterflies and birds and flowers and these colors are definitely my style. So I'm going to show you. I mean, I could even use that once I'm done with the rest of the collection. There's nothing on the back, so that could make some beautiful things for a journal, right? So there's 3 sheets each of how many? Six, 3 sheets of all 6 double-sided papers. So if you don't like one side, you have the other side. So the first 3 pages are these cut aparts, but the other side is this with postcards on it. Aren't these colors and things beautiful? Anyway, this says, have a brilliant day. Little by little, one travels far. No words on that one. Let your spirits soar. Love that. You fill my heart with joy. Fluttering by to say hello. I intend to make cards with some of this. Hello, friend, definitely. Spread your wings and fly could be in a journal. And then the back is this. So, and I think they will cut so that, yeah, so for example, this one, the reverse is this. This one, the reverse is this, and then this one is a postcard on the back with a hummingbird. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. So these are definitely going to get cut apart and used. I don't think they're the right size for postcards, but for in a journal or Happy Mail or altered something or other, they can be Happy Mail. And then Hello Friend is this one. And Spread Your Wings and Fly is this one, and Fluttering By to Say Hello is this gorgeous picture. Uh, that one's going to, I don't know. I'm torn between just the friend one or the Fluttering By to Say Hello. I think I might have to send one to, anyway, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So then the next, let me stick these underneath. Then this is the next one, and the back is this on all 3 sheets, and this paper is called Color My World. The other one was called Let Your Spirit Soar. They do have names if you want to look up individual sheets on somewhere like scrapbook.com or maybe even um, Amazon. I don't know. But these are gorgeous. And actually the camera is doing them pretty good justice despite my lighting and stuff. So love, love. And then we have cut apart strips. And I'm not as crazy about this color. This is, yeah, but I'll use it. And that would actually be perfect for fall. Um, Or if you just love orange. Orange is not my favorite color. It's okay. But I do love these and these postage stamp strips. And, yeah, and the butterflies on the bottom, of course. Just flying by to say hello, I could cut those out and use them as sentiment strips with paper on the back. There's more butterflies up here. And I can use this as a backing paper for something. So, yeah. But I'm more into the blues and pinks and purples. And this page is absolutely stunning. And it's backed with this gorgeous page. One sec. Okay, sorry. I thought I had to sneeze, but it may come on again, in which case I'll pause. So the hummingbirds, they remind me of my mom. She loved hummingbirds, and I do too, but I don't see them very often. But she used to get, like, it seemed like a pair, a male and a female, every year, and then some other ones, but some she thought sure were the same ones coming back. And they do come back if they know there's going to be, certain spots for hummingbird feeders. They do come back. And then this one is gorgeous in pinks. Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't been telling you the names. This one's called Hello Beautiful. That last one is called, where is it? Happy Hummingbirds. This one is Hello Beautiful. And this is the back. It's in the reds and pinks and greens. Gorgeous. This would be okay in a journal or something, or as a background to this. Okay, this one is called Dart and Dazzle. Gorgeous. So there's 3 pages, and the back is this, Dart and Dazzle. Friendship needs no words, just as a butterfly needs no song. Just to feel its presence is beautiful. Oh my God, I love that. Another fluttering by to say hello. You fill my world with color. That would be nice if you put hearts with it, right? And you give it to somebody else that loves hummingbirds and like your partner or something. Dart and dazzle, husband, I don't know. It's kind of feminine. I guess you could make it masculine. I don't know. I mean, this looks kind of masculine, so I don't know. And then this one, oh my gosh, butterfly wishes, and the back is the purple butterflies. This is so pretty. Ugh, I am in love. Yes, I love paper. Hi, my name is Deb. I'm addicted to paper, and I have a funny story at the end, sort of funny and sort of sad. Okay, so that's Butterfly Wishes with the purple butterflies. And again, this is called Flight of Fancy by Graphic 45. I bought the 8 by 8. I'm pretty sure they have it in 12 by 12, but I'm trying really hard not to buy too many 12 by 12s anymore because I can't use them up fast enough. I can't use anything up fast enough, but I'm working on it. Okay, so this one is called Flight of Fancy, the name of the paper collection. Just gorgeous. Let's see, and the back is this sort of watercolory floral. There's flowers in the background in pinks and oranges and yellows, I guess a little bit of yellows in here that look sort of orange. Anyway, absolutely gorgeous. So yes, that is the paper pad. There are what I say, 3 of 6. So how many papers is that? 18? Nope, 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 nope. Yes, 18 papers. 3 times 6, 18. Ugh, got it. So then Martha, I believe it was Martha, she didn't get the paper, but she got this ephemera assortment. And right off the top, oh my gosh, gorgeous. And then gorgeous. These are like perfect card toppers, right? Oh my gosh. And even just the flowers, mix and match them with papers you have in your stash if you don't want to get the paper. Gorgeous. Ugh, what kind of flowers are these? I was thinking dahlias, but I don't think so. I think there's something else. I don't know. And there's our hummingbird. Hummingbirds like pink and red, right? Mostly flowers. Ah, gorgeous. Smaller version, gorgeous. Art and Dazzle. Don't know about that one, but oh, and here's, I might leave this one out. I think I'm going to use it later today or tomorrow again. Fluttering by to say hello. Perfect for a card on top of some beautiful paper. That one I'm going to use, I think, with something else. And actually, maybe this little purple one. Purple butterfly. I'm sorry, I'm going on, trying to go. Oh, and there's the hummingbird with flowers. Ugh, a little hummingbird on a branch. Gorgeous. You fill my heart with joy. Some more little ones, and I may use this one today too. That's the same as the other one. Oh, and then we have these little arrow tab thingies. Another purple butterfly, which I might use. That's a bird, so I won't use it. Bet some of you are guessing why I'm pulling out butterflies. Just some little flowers and birds. Another purple sideways. And another one. I don't know that I'll use all of them. Gorgeous. Ugh, gorgeous. Ugh, beautiful. I won't use that in my thing I'm working on. This says, take delight in the small things. I love that. Ugh, gorgeous. I don't think that's the right colors for my project. And then we have some of these just flying by to say hello. Little by little, one travels far. You fill my heart with joy. Purple and pink. Another little purple one with yellow. Have a brilliant day. That would be good. Some little flaggy things. I don't love them, but I could cut them apart and use them as little tags or something. I just don't. My problem is I don't know how to use them. Same with I like this one better, but I'd probably do the same thing. Just cut these little things off and use them for decor. With brave wings she flies. Another purple butterfly. Oh, these postage stamp picket strips, like, uh that would make a nice border on a card, just like that. Or two cards or an accent. Oh my goodness. Love, love. Sorry, I'm like drooling over this. Very pretty. So that would go with that orange paper very well. And some of these other things would too. Flight of Fancy. Let Your Spirit Soar. That would be pretty as a front of a journal. Oh my gosh. Because it's kind of big for a card. Well, you could make a 5x7 with it. Hello, friend. That's good for cards. The earth has music for those who listen. Huh. I wish there were more of that, actually. Hello, friend, again. Have a brilliant day. Another purple butterfly and a flower. So absolutely gorgeous. I took it out of the packaging just so you wouldn't have to hear the crinkling. That is my video, my little haul. I did order one other paper pad because it is something I don't have anything like it. And it's from Hunky Dory, but it's also expected to come next Wednesday, and I think that one probably will arrive next Wednesday. I don't know where it's shipping from, so I don't know. I mean, that one I had to pay $4 for shipping, which I don't usually have to pay any shipping because I'm Prime, but that one I did. Anyway, oh, and the funny story is, as I was looking through this, I thought, I think I have this, or I think I have something from that sounds familiar. Well, I have a paper collection called Kingfisher. I couldn't find it today. It's somewhere in this mess. And I straightened up a little bit in here a few days ago, and I still can't find it. So I need to look around. I probably have it in some place. I thought I had it actually on my floor next to me, but I cleaned that up and I don't see it here because I had it in like a job ticket holder. It had a 6x8 paper collection, I'm pretty sure, but it was kingfisher, not hummingbirds, so I was mistaken. Knowing me, I probably have it in like a project bin to do something with, and I don't know where I have that particular project bin, something like that. But these were on my shelf right next to me where I have my watercolor stuff because these are water-based markers, water pens, paint pens, water paint. I don't know. Anyway, it's called Nature's Garden, and this is by Crafter's Companion. I'm pretty sure I have more than just the paper pad for that too, but I just can't find it right now. But it had kind of similar colors, you know, the purple, the kingfisher blue. So I could use this with this as well at some point. We'll see. Anyway, guys, take care. Have a wonderful day, weekend ahead, and I will talk to you again very soon. Stay tuned. Hugs, love, and peace.